Hi everybody, it's Sean with Masonry Cosmetics again. A little video for you today showing you how even you at home would be able to apply this product and give it a lime wash or whitewash look to it for your own house. So we'll get started with a little bit of a demonstration here. I've already got the mix that we come up with lined up. But as you can see, we've done some full-length brick here. And then I've actually taken a sponge and I've come across the whole brick on some sponges, on some application. And in other brick, I only did part of the brick in the application process here, to where some of that background color will show through. So in this instance, what I need here is you'll need a cup and a brush. I've got my mix here, and you'll need a sponge. And again, when I use a sponge, I like to use the cleaning sponges. Nothing really soft or anything like that. I prefer something that's thin that I can hold in my hand really easy. And this is a really actually a pretty decent sponge to work with. If I want to do a full length one, again, I have a 1-inch brush here. You can definitely use a 2-inch brush as well. But all I'm going to do is come across once, and I'll come across twice. And what I do is I'll go up and down on the brick and try to take that line out in the middle. And again, you can definitely use a 2-inch brush as well. And then I'll let that dry. If I want this multi-varied colored look, I'm going to take the sponge, I'm going to dip it in. And I'm only going to dip part of it in, like the top half of the sponge is all that's wet. I'm going to drain that into the side of my cup really good. I want to get that out of there pretty easily. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to kind of fold it a little bit and I'm going to just kind of come down. And then if you want one that's kind of like a partial one, you can come down some, little swatches, and then big swatches on the other side. And then that kind of helps you do that. But the key is just drain your sponge really well. You don't want things running down the wall on you. Just want to keep draining that brush or that sponge, and just a little bit at a time. Just keep going down and going across it. And again, with the full length, you come through. And again, you can use a 2-inch brush and only go across this once. But in this instance, I have a 1-inch brush in my hand. I come back across. Do it that way. So you want to keep that cup stirred up really well. You want to make sure all your pigment's suspended. And then dip your sponge in there. Again, I want you to drain it really, really good, so it's not running everywhere. And then, like I say, for me, the natural look is to go up and down. All the way across. And then, like I say, once that dries, then you're going to have that multi-varied look to it. So it's a great way to get that look that you're looking for, old rustic kind of a look to it. And if it's something more that you want to try, feel free to get a hold of us. We appreciate it.